Are you tired of guessing which US regions are losing you traffic? Learn to uncover exact trend shifts in under 2 minutes. We'll walk through Semrush's folders and competitor analysis to reveal regional traffic trends step by step. Start by heading to your Semrush folders to keep your data organized. Click on the first highlight to select your project. Then click on the next highlight to open it. Now, click on USA to focus on the United States market. Click on the highlight to add a domain. Then click on Add Competitors to include rival sites. Once that's done, click on Analyze to start the comparison. Finally, click on Analyze again to generate the full report. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.